What does apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, ground ginger, and honey have in common? Well, they are the ingredients in a homemade cough suppressant. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends! Today we're going to be doing another DIY project. And since we are just now heading into summer and people are now starting to go out with the restrictions easing up, so today we're going to be doing a DIY cough suppressant. So let's get started, shall we? So the first thing we're going to need is a glass jar to put it in. So I have this little 4-ounce jar. And next we're going to take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar boosts immunity with a high concentration of vitamin C, and it also breaks up congestion. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Next we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Honey helps the cough. It forms a barrier to soothe and protects the throat. 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of distilled water, and you want distilled so it's pure and doesn't have any impurities. 2 teaspoons of distilled water. The next ingredient is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper has pain-relieving, anti-inflammatory, and expectorant properties. If it's too spicy for you, you can leave this ingredient out. It just won't work as well. So we're going to take 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and put in there. The last ingredient is ground ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. It relieves nausea and pain. It can relax membranes in airways, which can reduce coughing. It boosts immunity to help fight infections, which causes sore throats. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. So go ahead and stir it until thoroughly mixed. The spices will never dissolve, so you want to make sure that you shake it up each and every time before you use it. And it also will stay runny. It's not a thick liquid. And you can keep it at room temperature for a few days, but if you need it for longer than that, keep it in the refrigerator. So how much do you use? For adults, use 1 tablespoon. For kids, 6 to 12, use 1 teaspoon. Under 6, I would consult the doctor. And you can take this as needed. And here you have it. Now, I am not a doctor, nor do I claim to be. This is just an old home remedy. If you have a bad cough or a cough that does not go away, please go see a doctor. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.